Hello, Rachel's Rockin' Ranch Adventures. How's it going, animal lovers? We are back here at the farm. Thought you found a little friend. We're hanging out and gonna be just going around, looking around all the animals and everything like that. So come take along and let's have fun. And Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's what you... Hi, you guys are so sweet, relaxing. Hi. Well, hello there. Hi. There we go. You can go in there and look. Here are the sheep. I love the sheep. I want a miniature sheep someday. Hi. Well, hello. Oh, there they all come. Say hello. Oh, there's a little one. You guys look nice and fat. Oh, you gonna run? You gonna run? Hi, babies. Hi, babies. You guys are darling. Yeah, you are. Look at you eyeing me up. Yeah. And then the cows over here. It's fun to come here to the family farm. Yup. My family does a lot of hard work here on the farm, and it's always just so fun to come and watch them. And back in the day when I was younger, I'd like to say I helped out a little bit. So yeah, it's been really fun. You can come. Or are you bold to say hi? Some of them are tame, but some of them are not. So you just always want to be a little bit on the cautious side. You guys can be a little wild sometimes. Yeah. They're doing work up in the shed, huh? Let's go check it out, Ellie and Thatcher. We won't go in, but our Uncle Noah is pouring down cement, so for the new shed. Go hold Uncle Noah's hand.
There's these two little ones. There's that one and that one.
Are you talking? Are you talking? Hi. She wants to do it.
Their tongues are pretty long.
Ooh, look at you. Little barn cats. Oh, there's our barn cats. It's not that one. Here's a little one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look at that one. It's so cute.
There's two back here. There's two little ones back here.
Oh.
And she said, you can pick them up too.
Yeah, did Aunt Sue say it was okay?
Yeah, yesterday she told them.
Okay. Oh, they look nice. Ellie, you want to bring one out?
Which one was the
Here, we'll bring it out here so there's better sun.
Mama!
Look at baby. Oh, there's the kitties and the cows. Okay, wait. It's pooping back up. You don't want to get poopy on you. Oh, good poops. Hi. You got a good poop coming out. Hold on. There's poopy on you.
Look it.
Oh, look.